Hello student, today we will do miscellaneous exercise on matrices chapter 3. Your first question is, let A is equal to the first row 0, 1, second row 0, 0. Show that AI plus BA whole to the power n equal to A to the power n into I plus n A to the power n minus 1 B into A, where I is the identity matrix of order 2 and small n belongs to capital N. That means you have to prove this result for any natural number. Okay. Now, generally when you want to prove this type of question, we are taking the help of mathematical induction. Hope you remember mathematical induction. You have got in class 11. What is your mathematical induction? You have to name first the given statement as Pn. And then there are 3 steps. First step is you have to show that the result is true for n is equal to 1. Okay, and then the second step is you have to suppose it that the result is true for any k, any natural number k. Then using that result, you have to prove it that the result is true for k plus 1. Then then from that you can give the conclusion that the result is true for all natural number. Because if it is true for 1, suppose k is equal to 1, then it will be true for k plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. That means if the result is true for 1, then it will be true for 2. Then if it is true for 2, 2 plus 1, it will be true for 3, and so on we can proceed. That's why we can give the conclusion that by the principle of mathematical induction, the result will be true for all natural number. Now let us start the solution. First you write down your given things. Your A is what? A is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. And name this statement as Pn. Okay, so I am naming it as Pn. Pn is what? AI plus BA whole to the power n is equal to A to the power ni plus n A to the power n minus 1 BA, n belongs to n. We will prove this result by mathematical induction. So first there are 3 steps. First we will consider it for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, that means the statement become P1. P1 will be equal to what? Here you see on the left hand side you will have what? AI plus BA to the power 1 n become 1, so it will be 1. On the right side, what is the value we will get? A to the power 1, that is an I plus n A to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, which is equal to this one. That means you see the result is true for both the sides are true. That means the result is true for n is equal to 1. Now we will suppose that the result is true for n is equal to k. That means you're now in the place of n in the statement, you have to write down k. So what will be your P of k? P of k is what? AI plus bk whole to the power, previously we have n, now it become k, is equal to A to the power ki plus k A to the power k minus 1 into b into a. This one we will suppose it is true. Now using this result we have to prove it that this is true for k plus 1. Let us consider your k plus 1. What will be your k plus 1? Replace k by k plus 1. AI plus BA whole to the power k plus 1. Now AI plus BA whole to the power k plus 1 can be written as to the power k into 1. So I am writing AI plus BA whole to the power k into AI plus BA. Okay. Now we will do the product. But before that you can use this result here, because you know AI plus BA whole to the power k can be written like this, because we have supposed that this is true. So in the place of this one you substitute this. It will try to malke to idea and do the product now. Doing the product, A to the power ki into ai will be A to the power k plus 1 I square. I square is I. Then here you do the product, k A to the power k, this one and this one and this like this. We just do the product. On doing the product, after it we are taking common. Here you see common A to the power k BA. A to the power k BA, these 2 terms. Okay, what is left inside bracket? K and 1 will be left, and keep it like this. Okay, this is done. Now you have to find out the value of, I value, A is known to you, but A square is not known to you. So you find out A square. What is your A square? You put A twice, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Do the product, first row, first column. 0 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. So the first value is 0. First row, second column. 0 into 1 is 1. 0 into 1 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. Both is 0 again. Similarly, multiplication will give you 0, 0 will give you 0, and this one. So we have got a 0 matrix. Now we will substitute this value 0 here on the in equation number 1. then what we'll have, when we put k is equal to 0, you'll have ai plus b a whole to the power k plus 1 is this value. Remaining will be left. And if you compare with the given statement, therefore we can say that the result is, compared to the given statement, it will be your p of k plus 1. So the result is true for k plus 1. Hence, by the principle of mathematical induction, we can say that result is true for all n belongs to n. Okay, hope you understand the procedure. The same way we can do solution number 2. Question number 2. Your question is a is given as all ones, a to the power n is this statement, 3 to the power n minus 1 in all the places. Okay, so first you give the name of the function as Pn and write down your a. I'm written here, a is written, and then Pn is named the function. Now you prove the result for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1 means you will have what? A to the power 1. A to the power 1 means a. A is this much. What is this? 1, everywhere 1. And then you on the right side, what will have? If p of 1, if you put, you will get 1 minus 1, k in the place of n, we have to put 1. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 everywhere. Everywhere will get 3 to the power 0, and anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we got it 1. A. That means the result is true for n is equal to 1. Now suppose that the result is true for k. So in the place of n, you put k, you will get a to the power k is what? 3 to the power k minus 1 everywhere. This is your a to the power k. Let the result be true for k. So a to the power k is this much. Now with the help of this, we have to prove it that the result is true for k plus 1. তাৰমানে তোমালোকে এতিয়া a to the power k help লৈ p of k plus 1 to দেখাব লাগে true বুলি. তো আমি কি কৰিম, a to the power k plus 1 ক আমি a to the power k into a লিখিব পাৰো. So put the value of a and a to the power k, then do matrix multiplication. And doing the matrix multiplication, skip one step, that is what? First row, first column. 1 into 3 to the power k minus 1 plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 into 3 to the power k plus 1. That means we have got 3 times of 3 to the power k plus 1. Similarly in all the places. Okay. Then we just that skip I skip and write down this one. And after that you see both the powers bases are 3. Here power is 1. It is what? K minus 1. So both the powers we can together take together. It will become 1 plus k minus 1. Okay, and similarly everywhere. Then I'm writing k plus 1 in one place, minus 1, just to compare with this one. Because I need, if it is k minus 1. So if it is k minus 1, k plus 1, it should be k plus 1 minus 1. And from here we can get it. So we can give the conclusion that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence we can give the conclusion by the principle of mathematical induction, the result is true for all natural number. Okay, so second is done. Now go to the third. Same type of question, to the power n, we have to prove the result. We have to prove the result for n a is given. We prove the result for a to the power n. Again, same procedure we have to use, principle of mathematical induction. Write down your a and give the name of the statement as Pn. Result, first you prove the result for n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1, it become what? A to the power 1. Here also if I put it 1 on the right side, left and right, you can do it separately. As I have shown in your Google Meet class, okay, that way also we can do 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1 and so on. We'll have this value, and that is equal to what? Equal to k. So we can give the conclusion that the result is true for n is equal to 1. Now you suppose that the result is true for k, n is equal to k. So in the place of n, in Pn, in the place of n you have to put k. It become a to the power k, 1 plus 2k minus 4k, k, 1 minus 2, n, 2k. Now this one you can name, if you want you can name it as 1, equation number 1. Now using this we have to prove it that result is true for k plus 1. So in the place of k we have to get now k plus 1. So for that purpose, what is your a to the power k plus 1? Let us write. A to the power k plus 1 can be written as a to the power k into a. Put the value of a to the power k and a. Do matrix multiplication and arrange it. Okay, and doing the arrangement we have got it. What? This is similar with Pn form. So result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. By the principle of mathematical induction, we can give the result is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. Now go to question number 4. Your question number 4 is, if A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is Q-symmetric matrix. So here A and B are symmetric matrices, it is given. So what is the definition of symmetric matrices? Two matrices are said to be symmetric if their transpose is equal to the matrix itself. A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. And when we say that it is Q-symmetric, if transpose of the matrix is equal to the negative of the matrix. So we will show it now that this transpose is equal to negative of this matrix. First, write down your given things. A and B are symmetric matrices, therefore A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. AB minus BA whole transpose, let us find out. By using A minus B whole transpose, A transpose, B transpose, we can separate it. And we can write down it as AB whole transpose, BA whole transpose. Now we have to use the product. Product query ki hobo? It's reverse. It become B transpose, A transpose. This is A transpose, B transpose. Now you know B transpose is B and A transpose is A. So you substitute B transpose is B and A. Now we can write down in this form. Because taking minus sign common, it can be written as AB minus BA. Or if you want, you can name this function as P and find out the value of P transpose. You will see that P transpose is minus P. Therefore, the conclusion is what? The result is skew symmetric. Okay. Now let us go to question number 5. In your question number 5, it is given so that the matrix B transpose BA is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or B is skew symmetric. That means when A is symmetric, you have to show it that this is symmetric. When A is skew symmetric, we have to show it that this is skew symmetric. First, we will suppose that A is symmetric. So by condition, by definition, A transpose equal to A. Now you find out the value of BA transpose. Okay, you know the matrix multiplication is commutative but not associative. Is not commutative but associative. So I just combine these two together, AB together, and this one is separate. So I can use AB whole transpose formula. AB whole transpose formula is B transpose A transpose. So this transpose first, then this transpose. You know B transpose AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose, and transpose of the transpose is B itself. So we have got it B transpose A transpose B. And what is A transpose? A transpose means A. So we can write down it as B transpose AB. And B transpose AB without bracket also we can write, because you know it is matrix multiplication is what? Associative. So we have got this transpose of the matrix is similar with the matrix itself. Therefore, the conclusion is A is symmetric. Now we will suppose it that A is skew symmetric. So A transpose is minus A. Again take its transpose now. This one whole transpose. As earlier, this is the part first transpose, then this one. AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose B. Now in the place of A transpose, I can put what? Minus A. So minus sign will come out, and this one can be written as B transpose AB. So B transpose AB, and this P means B transpose is P. Therefore, the conclusion is what? The matrix is, this matrix is skew symmetric. So hence symmetric. If A is symmetric, then B transpose AB is symmetric. If A is skew symmetric, then the matrix is skew symmetric. Okay. So today I stop here. You write down the solutions properly. Thank you.